Hello everyone and welcome back to Florence, Tuscany. Today we are right by the Duomo and are about to visit together a beautiful, fully restored apartment a stone throw from the main square of the city. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance and a landmark of art and culture. Founded by the Romans, it thrived under the Medici family, fostering masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. Today, its iconic sites, the Duomo, Ponte Vecchio and Uffizi Gallery, embody centuries of artistic excellence. Welcome inside the apartment. It is about 150 square meters, which equals to 1,600 square feet. As soon as you walk in, you notice this nice entrance. There is this boiserie throughout all of the walls that is very elegant. There is air conditioning throughout, heating of course, and as well a domotic system. The apartment, as you can see, has been completely restored around the year 2022, together with the rest of the building. You can notice these double height ceilings with the slanted roof and the exposed wooden beams, typical of Tuscany. This first area right here is a sitting space. There are two large windows giving lots of light. And if we peek outside to the left, we will see the stunning Duomo of Florence. And finally, the star of the apartment is this outstanding Gullo kitchen. This is one of the most famous brands for a kitchen, and all of the appliances, the ovens, as well as the fridge, the dishwasher, are all from Gaggenau, which is one of the best brands for appliances. From the living area, we get to the bedroom side of the apartment through this hallway. To my left, there are two large windows that overlook the central courtyard of the building. Therefore, there is lots of natural light. Through this window, there is also a nice balcony looking outside. The first door to my right is the service bathroom, ideal for guests. It is the closest bathroom to the living area. Completely covered in marble with this very nice pattern on the walls and the Salvatori sink carved out of marble. The first bedroom is nice and spacious. Also here we have the same tall ceilings of the living area that we've seen with the exposed beams. As you can see, there are the splits for the air conditioning which are concealed in the wall, which makes it much more elegant and subtle, with a nice checkered floor pattern and a huge shower, of course, as well as the sink. As we keep going, we then find the storage laundry room, which has both washer and dryer. Then next, to conclude, we have the main bedroom, which is nice and large, takes the whole width of this room. On the right, there is the ensuite closet of the bedroom. By the way, this could very easily also become the third bedroom of the apartment. It depends on the needs. On this side, we have the private terrace of this bedroom that overlooks the central courtyard. The terrace overlooks the internal courtyard. Therefore, even though we are in the city center of the city, which is generally quite noisy, we have total silence from inside the courtyard, and it is the perfect spot to relax in the morning and enjoy a coffee. Then we have the ensuite bathroom of the primary bedroom. Starting from the floor, we have the same herringbone pattern as the parquet floor, but made out of stone. And as well, the very large shower on this side. A detail to mention is this glass in the shower, which is a smart glass, also considered a privacy glass, with a switch you can turn it completely see-through. To conclude, we have the walk-in closet of the primary bedroom. This could as well be converted into the third bedroom of the apartment. There is a large closet on this side which has been made bespoke. On the lower side you have these details in wood and canvas, and on the upper part you have additional storage. On the other side we have a large mirror, perfect for a walk-in closet, as well as the window giving natural light. We're now at the end of today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful apartment. We are in the very heart of the city, a stone throw to the Duomo, so it is ideal for someone that would like a pied-à-terre in Florence. It is in the middle of all of the amenities, the restaurants, so very practical. As well, it is close to the train station. The property is also ideal for someone that would like to live in it full-time or as well as an investment. The building is brand new. It is also ideal to be set up for a self-check-in if you would like to do short-term rentals. And as well, with a brand new building, which is something difficult to find in a city like Florence, you will not have issues with the building for the many years to come. Please let me know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!